If you've watched hours of video about making money online and you're still unsure, you're not the problem. Confusion usually comes from not knowing what to do first. It's very common because the internet throws too many options, too much jargon, and way too many opinions. When everything sounds important, nothing seems clear. Confusion is what stops people, not age, and certainly not intelligence. So this video is for people who are over 60, who use the internet every day, and you're curious about earning money online, but you don't know where to begin. You're unsure it's real, what's hype, and you don't want to waste money. Retirement doesn't feel as secure as it once did. Costs keep rising, and you don't want another dead-end job, and you don't want another false start. Waiting seems risky, but jumping in blindly is even worse. What do? You need a plan to follow, something clear and really simple. People are already paying for classes, they're paying for workshops, they're paying for coaching, they're paying for communities, not because they're lazy. They want a roadmap, they want reassurance, and they want to know they're doing it right. So why does education work? Well, hope plus empowerment. Online income is not magic. It is a process. Once you understand how income online actually works and the order things go in and what to ignore and what to pay attention to, confidence will replace overwhelm. I promise you it will. Understanding removes fear faster than motivation can and ever will. What fails when you try to figure things out alone? Watching random videos with no structure for starters and following creators that move too fast. I've been there, trust me. It's like, wow, buying tools before you understand the basics of what you're doing and comparing yourself to people half your age. You can start, you can stop, and you can start again. Eventually, you're going to start to think, this is not for me. And that's not true. You just need the right roadmap. If you have a clear path, you're going to be able to do this. If you have a clear step-by-step plan, you're going to be successful online. When you learn step by step, you can have expectations without being technical. And also, you can start being around people that are at the same stage you're in. That's one of the reasons why I love community. And that's one of the reasons why I want to invite you to my community. The link is in the comments below. It's important that you're with people that are moving at the same pace you are. Some are going to be faster, some are going to be slower, but the thing is the same end goal. And you can help one another. You can talk to one another. The community is free, and I highly recommend that you get involved in the community. If not mine, someone else's. Community is so important if you're going to develop an online business. So if this conversation makes sense to you, I've created a free school community. It's called Second Act Income Collective. The link is below. It's free, and this is what you get inside my community. I explain how online income works in plain, simple language. I share what matters and what doesn't matter. And also, you can learn at your own pace and ask questions without pressure. And you can ask any kind of question, even if it seems foolish. We all have to start somewhere. So you can ask anything you want inside the community. I have modules that explain how things work. I have a free PDF that teaches you how to open a YouTube channel, both on your phone and on your laptop. It's just a simple place to get clarity. And did I say it's free? Because it is. You'll find the link below. There's no hype, there's no rush, but you could also just join the community and decide once you're inside if this is what you want. There'll be a lot of material in there that's going to teach you about digital marketing in the online space, give you some of the terminology, a lot of things in there that are very, very helpful. I'm Paula from Paula Daily Pay. I make a video about once a week. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for spending some time with me.